Pasta con ceci is a true Roman classic, simple, nourishing and full of heart. Made with our Napolina chickpeas blended into a rich velvety sauce. One bite and you'll see why it's a recipe worth keeping on repeat. Add the Napolina olive oil to a pan over a medium heat, then build your sofrito base with onion, garlic, carrot, anchovies, celery and rosemary. Then let it cook gently until soft and aromatic. Next, add the Napolina chickpeas, the aquafaba and the chicken stock. Then mix together well, then cover and simmer for 10 minutes. Next, add half of the mixture to a blender and pulse until smooth and creamy. Then pour back into the pan and mix well. Then add the Parmigiano Reggiano and mix again to create a thick, decadent sauce. Toss in the cooked Napolina Penne Pasta and fold into the sauce gently, coating all of the pasta. Then plate up, adding a little extra Parmigiano Reggiano and some freshly chopped parsley, then tuck in.